What's up YouTube? As you saw in the title, we are doing a Fashion Nova haul today. I'm currently barefaced, bun in my hair because I didn't feel like putting on makeup just to record this, so you get my natty face today. This is my second time I think ordering from Fashion Nova, and they are kind of hit or miss. I mean, obviously the models on there, they look freaking amazing, they're gorgeous, and they have this insane figure, so it's hard to tell what size you're going to be and how things are going to fit you. So I hope this will help some of you if you've been wanting to order from them but not completely sure. I do have, I think I spent 150 bucks. I have quite a few things. Most of them I'm returning because they didn't fit me right, but some of them I am keeping and some of them are really cute. So I always wait until they have a sale because you get 30 or 40% off, which is a great deal for some crop tops and stuff. And then sometimes I go, you know, and be a little ballsy and order some rompers and jumpsuits like I did today, and some work out, some don't. But anyways, I'm going to stop rambling. We're going to jump right into this. I'm going to talk about each item and I'm going to show you a clip of me trying it on and wearing it. So let's get started. One of the items I have is this mauve red color crop top with little strappy detail. It has like the rib print in it. It's very soft and very stretchy. It is really cute. I like this a lot. It's very flattering, easy to wear with jeans or a skirt, whatever you want to wear it with. Even to the gym I'll probably wear this because I make all of my shirts gym shirts because that's just how I am. But yeah, I really like this. I got a size medium. I'm gonna link probably my whole order down below. Order. That way you can purchase the items if you want to, or at least just look at them. The next item I got is this yellow crop top. It has little holes in it. As you can see when I have it on, there's little holes in the left chest and then in the right part, like by your rib cage. This one is really cute. I like it a lot. It makes my boobs look pretty big. It's a very stretchy material. I got a medium, I think. Yeah, I tend to get mediums in all tops because I feel like their shirts run like baby shirts, because I got one and it literally was like a baby shirt, so I just get mediums to be safe. But like I was saying, very stretchy, very soft, and I really like this. It's cute for the gym. It'll be cute with jeans. It'll be cute with the skirt, kind of like I said with the other crop top, because crop tops go with everything. But yeah, definitely keeping this. I know they have other colors. I might look at other colors and get some other colors. Next was, sorry, I have them in bags because I'm returning stuff and I gotta return them in the bags. But next was this nude color crop top. Whoops, I got it inside out. It looked so cute on the model, and I mean, maybe it would have looked cuter if I would have ordered a small because it was just very loose towards the chest and the straps just like fall right down, and if I move the wrong way my entire bra's out, so that's just not a good thing. But it's not a stretchy material really. I mean, a little bit, it gives a little bit, but nothing crazy. Like I said, I got a medium. It's too big. Maybe if I would have gotten a small, but even still a small, these straps are excessively long. You could probably cut them and tie them. I don't really know who they made these long straps for, but it doesn't work for me, so that's one of the items I'm going to be returning. And then next was, I think I tried on this jumpsuit next. I'm trying to go in order of how I tried things on, but either way I can just edit it. But there's this olive color jumpsuit. By the way, I'm sorry that I switched my background halfway through, not even halfway through, after a few items. Don't mind my messy room, but I realized the lighting was crap, so I switched, but whatever. This is like an olive colored jumpsuit. It's a tube top. It has pockets in it. This is a really soft, stretchy material, which is why I ordered it, because it sounded like it would be nice, and it sounded like, I haven't shaved my armpits. I hope you can't see that. But it seemed like it would be a nice material, and I would like it if it was a little bit taller. I mean, it gives me major camel toe and it just looks weird around that area. It looks like I'm wearing a diaper, so I'm not a fan of it. But my butt, it looks so good on my butt, which makes me want to keep it. But if anybody's looking at me from the front, they're gonna be like, what's going on with you? But yeah, I mean, it's good. If you're short, this will fit you perfect and it'll look so good on you, guaranteed. Oh, I got a size medium in that one as well. Putting that back in the bag because it's getting returned. Next was this romper. Surprisingly, this fits. I kind of expected it to be too short or just not fit, but it's this cute print. It's like a mauve and tan color. I don't know, kind of tie-dye print. I don't really know, but it's very soft, very stretchy, and it's actually not too short. It doesn't show my entire butt, and I like the V-neck part of it because it looks like flattering, but my boobs aren't completely showing. So yeah, I definitely really like this. I'm glad I got it. They have it at, this is a medium. They have it in a few other colors too. I think there's black and tan and blue and tan maybe, but I liked this color the best, so I got this one. But I might, once I return this stuff, I might get another one or a similar one to it. Probably shouldn't put it there. Alright, the last thing I have are these pants. I don't even know what these pants are called. They're, you know, the ones with the tie and they kind of like go down at the bottom. They're like a material. I don't know, but I wanted these to be cute. They're okay, they're not terrible. I probably would keep them if they didn't just like relentlessly shove themselves up my butt. Like, they have no mercy on your butt crack. They are just all up in there and they ain't moving. It's not even like I have them up too high. I literally have them where they're supposed to be and they're just right up my crack, and that's just, it's not even comfortable, and it doesn't, sure it might look good because my butt cheeks are separated and they're wiggling all around, but really, I mean, come on, who did they make this inseam for? Somebody who's like a foot tall? Because I mean, honestly, I'm 5'6", and I think even somebody who's 5 foot would have the same problem. I'm just so confused. So needless to say, these crack pants are definitely, well, are they even crack pants? Because they don't show my crack. They just shove their way right up my crack. I don't know what that would be called. But anyways, needless to say, these are going back. So many people have these pants and they look so cute on them, and I always want some, but I cannot find a good pair. Apparently. What is this bag? The next, well, thing I'm going to talk about is these mid-waisted jeans. The brand is Chisono. I got a size, well, it says it's a size 28, but on Fashion Nova I order all 7s. So I don't really know how they do that or do their sizing, but these are just a mid-rise jean. They're pretty stretchy. These are going to be good for me for wearing to work because I wear mid-rise jeans to work with like a tucked-in shirt. And yeah, these are very stretchy, like I said. The length is pretty good on them. It goes like just to my ankles. I'm 5'6", by the way. I'll put my measurements below though. And I really like these. I might get another pair of them because, I mean, they're, I don't know, they're stretchy, but they're not super stretchy in the waist. They almost kind of feel a little tight, but I feel like they'll stretch out more once I wear them because they're just stiff. So I just gotta wash them. But yeah, I like these ones. Those will be down below. The next thing I'll talk about is these black jeans. They're high-waisted because I wanted a pair of just high-waisted jeans to wear when I go out and stuff with crop tops. These are too high-waisted. I didn't even think it was possible to be too high-waisted, but they literally go like 2 inches below my boobs. I mean, if they were half an inch shorter or an inch shorter, they would be perfect. But these are too high. They look so weird. I don't know. I'm really sad because I wanted some black high-waisted jeans to wear wherever, but yeah, these are not it. I got a size 7, and it says that they're a size 7/8. The brand of these is Bob Jeans. I don't know. These are just weird. I did not expect them to be this freaking high. I mean, who knew there was such a thing as too high-waisted? Other than that, they're comfy and they're soft, but you know. Alright, the next thing is these white jeans. I wanted these. They said that they're high-waisted online. They're more of a mid-rise, at least on me. I don't know, but the brand is Slimhers. Yeah, the brand is Slimhers. I ordered a size 7. I wonder what size. Yeah, these are a size 7. They're 71% cotton and 26% polyester, 3% spandex. So they are pretty stretchy. I don't know if I'm going to keep them. I can't really decide because they're a little bit too tight in the waist to where they're not that comfortable. And if I sit down, everything is just going to be rolled over. I mean, they do look really good, and they have this cute like detailing down the side. You can't really tell, but they're cute. I just don't think I can deal with them being so tight. And I mean, they do make my butt look really good, but I think I need to keep searching for a pair of white jeans because I don't have any white jeans, and these are not as high as I wanted them to be. I don't know. I'm still undecided. I'll probably put them on again. This will be the third time that I've tried them on. I'll probably put them on again just to see if I want to keep them or not. But for now, they're going back in the bag so I don't lose the bag when I go to return them, if I return them. Next, ow, I just sat on my foot, is these, if they would come out of the bag, these shorts. They're high-waisted shorts. They're YMI brand, and they're high-rise. I really like these, but if I move, if I bend over just a tiny bit, my whole butt's out. I mean, I don't think you can tell in the video that I took because I try not to really show it, but literally, like, you can see this much of my butt cheek when I'm not even moving, when I'm just standing there. But they're so cute. Why can't they just be like a ½ inch longer? Then they would be perfect because they feel nice. They have like 3 buttons down instead of a zipper or anything. It's just 3 buttons. And they're such a cute like color, and I don't know. I'm undecided. I may keep them, but then I know if I keep them, I'm probably never going to wear them because my whole butt shows. I mean, come on. I like my butt, but I don't want to be showing it the entire time I'm wearing them. I don't know. We shall see. Maybe I'll keep them. Maybe I won't. I don't really know. I'm not sure. That was all I got. I don't know how many items that was, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4 out of all of those that I'm keeping, and I'm returning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think that would make it 10 items, Leah. But yeah, I'm keeping 4 of these, the 4 that I said that I really like, and then the rest I'm gonna send back. And it kind of sucks because you can only get store credit from them, but I'll end up ordering some other things. I'm sure they'll have a Memorial Day sale by, who knows if this will even be up by Memorial Day because I'm so good at editing and taking forever. But I hope this helped you kind of realize what you should and shouldn't buy. My takeaway is their jeans are good. You just have to kind of take a chance and get the right pair, as you can see with my experience. I do have 3 other pairs that I like from them, but only one that I like truly wear all the time. Their tops are pretty good. Check the material, make sure that there's something stretchy, because the ones that fit me are the stretchier material. The ones that don't fit me are not super stretchy, so there's not much give. At least if they're stretchy, you have some leeway to see, you know, to fit into. Rompers, you're probably gonna take, you know, a chance at that. I mean, I did, and mine worked out good. Maybe just get the stretchy material on those too. I wouldn't really get ones that are polyester or rayon, you know, that doesn't stretch. Maybe just get something that's stretchy. And I haven't tried any of their bras or anything. This one is from TJ Maxx, so no, it's not from there. Yeah, that's about it. Like I said, everybody orders from Fashion Nova. I know it's kind of, I still don't have an answer for you. I'm literally telling you it's a hit or miss, but yeah, thumbs up if you like me. I'm gonna go eat because I'm like starving, so that's probably why I'm not making much sense, because I'm so hungry and I can't think straight when I'm hungry. So yeah, give this a thumbs up. Make sure you like and subscribe. Maybe turn on your notifications for me, because I know a lot of YouTubers are saying that their stuff isn't showing up, but I don't know. I'm not that big of a YouTuber, so I don't pay attention to things like that, and I wouldn't know. Anyways, I'm out of here. Alright, like and subscribe or something. I love you, bye. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I don't feel like putting all the stuff away now. I have so much stuff to put away, and I have to put all this in the mail now. Oh.